Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft PowerPoint file is not opening. So let's start the video. I'm going to give you three methods. So first method is right click the file that you cannot open it. Right click it here and go to properties, and here you can see security. Just click this unblock option and click apply and then click OK. This is the fast way, and if this doesn't work, then the second way is go to your search option. Here's search PowerPoint, and click it to open. And now go to options, and here you can see after clicking the option, you can see the trust center. Click the trust center and select trust center settings here. And now go to protected view, and here just unclick this first option and select OK, and again select OK and minimize this one and try to open the my PowerPoint file. If this doesn't work, you now go to your search option. Here search appwiz.cpl and enter, and it will bring you to this page. Here search for Microsoft Office, Microsoft Office Professional Plus. The version will be in your PC, and now right click it and select change and select yes. And after that you can see the quick repair option is selected. Now select repair and select repair. It will start automatically start repairing your Microsoft Office Office software. If there is any problem, it will detect them and repair it automatically. So it will take a few seconds to complete the repair, and in this three method you can easily fix your problem. So this is my video, and I hope this video is helpful to you, and if this does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.